Hello friends, welcome to my channel once again. Have you seen Mammalia? This is the tutorial on class Mammalia in phylum Chordata. Now the general characteristics of mammals are the females secrete milk to feed their young ones. Since the word Mammalia, mamma means mammary gland. They have heterodont dentition, means they have different types of teeth in their mouth: incisors, premolars, canines and molars. Thecodont means the teeth are held in bony sockets, and diphyodont means they have two types of teeth in their lifetime: the milk teeth and permanent teeth. Then development of the embryos is within their placenta. Placental mammals only, except monotremes and marsupials. Monotremes lay eggs and marsupials, they keep their young ones in their pouch called marsupium. They have 7 cervical vertebrae in the neck region. Their body is covered with hairs except their water mammals. Whales, dolphins and porpoises don't have hairs. Skin, beard, sweat and sebaceous glands. Corpus callosum joins two cerebral hemispheres. That's also a mammalian character. Diaphragm, it's a muscular partition between chest and abdominal cavity. Mammalian coelom is divided into 4 cavities: 1 pericardial cavity, 2 pleural cavities in the lungs, 1 abdominal cavity having the viscera. Next is optical lobes are divided into 4 corpora quadrigemina. External ear contains cartilaginous pinnae on both the sides. They receive the sound waves. Internal ear has organ of Corti. Organ of Corti is extremely sensible to sound. Skull is dicondylic, means having 2 occipital condyles. There are 3 bones in the middle ear called malleus, incus and stapes, ossicles. Neocortex region in the brain is for seeing and hearing, and they have biconcave, non-nucleated red blood corpuscles, except camels and llama where the nucleus is present in RBC. These are examples of oviparous mammals: duck-billed platypus, ornithorhynchus and spiny antiteris tachyglossus. Now these are certain examples in scientific name. Balinoptera means blue whale, Didelphis is opossum, koala bear, wombats, marsupial lion, as you can see, spotted cuscus, bandicoots, Tasmanian wolf, Thylacinus, bilby, Macrotis logotis, Australian bush-tailed possum, Trichosurus vulpecula. Quokka is Cetonix bacurus, and South American opossum is Monodelphis. Now you can see the pictures of mammals. You can see the wolf, Canis lupus. You can see a manatee, water mammal. This is Trichechus. Hyrax you can see, shrew mouse, it is Procavia. Mongoose is Herpestes. Hare is Lepus timidus. You see more mammals. Now here there are primates, monkeys, macaca, rhesus macaca. There are basically 2 types of monkeys in them. Catarrhines means old world monkeys and platyrhines means new world monkeys. As you can see the difference in their mouth. They have downward pointed nose and they are having flat nose. They have hard bare sitting pads on the buttocks and no ischial callosities in them. Old world monkeys have opposable thumb. They don't have. The catarrhines have reduced or no tail, but platyrhines have prehensile tail. Means they can hold the branches of the trees with the help of their tail, like spider monkey. You can see the other mammals, hippopotamus. This is kangaroo macropus, found in Australia. This is blue whale or dolphins or porpoises. These are other mammals. You can have a look. Now